my hands again because I just did.
Okay.
We're at SeaWorld, if you couldn't hear me, and we're buying the food because I'm gonna feed the stingray, and yeah, it's gonna be very fun.
Go.
So I have the fish I'm about to give them, and it's very
Tasty. We are at SeaWorld.
Yes, please.
Okay. Card. Okay. So they get a tray in each of these locations.
Fish with bacon.
You can feed the sharks, sea lions. Oh, okay.
Come on.
Oh, there's 2 more.
Okay. So now I'm just gonna take these fish. And I can't find my friends. I don't know where they are. But I'm gonna go.
Need to go to the doctor.
Are we filming?
Yes.
Okay.
This is very helpful in protecting them from
Put
their
it between my
environment.
fingers.
Kind of like how humans, when we go outside for the day, we might want to put on
All right,
some
let's see it.
or buzzsprout. I should see
Can they bite you?
everything
No,
here.
they-
Same for our stingrays. Theirs is just built into their body.
Come up. Make them come out of the water. They're holding like up here.
Look,
We also don't want to be too close because humans can be a little bit threatening to all of us.
Have teeth? Do they have teeth? Yes, but they won't bite you.
They're not going to bite you.
Into their natural habitat. So for those of you who are just joining us, once again, welcome. Questions while you are here. Just make sure that you either keep both feet on the ground or you are laying across Superman style. Also to my right, we have a little step stingray. Also, if you would like to purchase a tray of food,
Okay.
Get it. Okay, Jack, what can you do? That one just... Hey, I'm being... So, right now I'm gonna go wash my hands. We're about to go feed the sharks. This one is mostly what I'm most scared of, but I think you just throw the food up, so yeah.
yeah, you want to come here, my
No, can I choose yours?
I know from experience, if it falls, you're not going to find it.
Get the ugliest one.
Would you say get the ugliest one?
Yeah, because then there'll be a really pretty color.
Okay. And we're going to take. Okay,
You like this? Yeah, this is great. Look at Millions here.
Your first girl. Nice. Well, you girl, you're very
A grain of sand in there.
And Tiffany tried to get also. This here, you see it? Oh, very pretty.
Wow.
Yeah, but you don't get a pro.
Use your money.
Get done.
Around here.
They give you one at least, right?
Well, they
I'm
should
looking for
want you
the
to buy the
biggest
jewelry.
Japanese there is.
Yeah, look, you see, huh?
All twins.
You're all twins?
Like they're twins with twins.
Oh, how nice. So you're all twins. You don't have any questions.
Lucky number. We need to find a twin. Twin
Come on,
pearl.
Jacqueline, come on!
So 3% chance of twins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say
Well, I've been here an hour. I'm going to say 45 minutes ago. And they were blue. The bluish and the gray. Gorgeous. Those are our first twins today.
Pretty
Can I
pearl.
see?
Very
Isn't it the same as everyone?
Wow.
No, not really.
It looks exactly
Mine is
so white. It looks
They
exactly
may
like
look
almost
white
like
in
yours.
there, but our koi pearl's not really white. There you go.
Mine is like a white.
Oh, how
Congratulations.
beautiful.
Yours is like a creamy color. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Wonderful.
This one's mine.
Okay,
Jasmine. Yeah. Do you like your pearls?
Is it focusing?
Yeah. There we go. Beautiful.
Now, can we get something to hold them in?
Beautiful.
Can I get something to hold them in? My favorite that well. This is what it looks like. This is what mine looks like.
Okay, leave it in the bowl because if it falls, hun, we're not responsible for it. My coworker's over there. Let's get this rolling here. Okay, we'll go start with you.
So I'm going to do the shell.
Or that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them. See, it's like a creamy color to it. Very pretty. So we're going to clean this with a little bit of salt. And yours is a 7. Very nice.
That'd be funny if that was the dollar store of Bell's house.
Pretty. All right.
7. Bella's is the whitest.
They are all 7s.
Really?
Yep, this one is maybe a little bit, only because of the color, the tone around the sides. And what would you ladies like to do with your pearls?
I want it on a necklace. Me too.
Okay, everything is an additional cost to the pearl. Okay, so it's $16.99 for the pearl. $16.99 for each pearl. We have these fashion jewelry. These are $14.99. They come with the chain. These aren't sterling silver, and they're just fashion jewelry. So the lockets, what we do is that we open them up, we put the pearl in there, and then we close it up with the chain.
Can I see that blue?
Silver, they start $14.99 all the way up to $72. These are just $8.95 each.
I would like the blue. What about the dolphin
Do you
and
want to
the
talk
wheel?
about it with your parents?
Oh. How much are the dolphin and the wheel?
One is $23 and the other one is $25.
So that one's 23.
That one's $25.
Mom. This one's I think I was thinking necklace, but I said because they have it on. It's really pretty, and I'm so happy. Looking at these fish and there's shark. There's all these. Look, show them. Fish. They're so cute. I guess stingrays are over there. Oh, it's over there. The stingray is right there. Look at the shark. There. Where's the mega stingray? Oh, there. It's over there, but it's like. Look how big this shark is. Isn't that huge? Where's the mega stingray? It's over there. It's like really sleeping. Oh no, it's over here. Walk, we'll run over there so you can see it. Look how huge that is.
I thought it didn't taste
There's a really big shark. And we're just gonna go to dinner. So huge. We are going in a tunnel to see shark. Wow. Look at this tunnel. Look at that fish. It's so it's like so dark in here, it's scary. Can people see us? It's like so dark. It doesn't feel like, it doesn't feel like we're underground. How is that showing? Look at that. It's like on the ground. Daniela, take a picture. Daniela, take a picture. With your Please making a music, please. Catfish. Those are lion fish. They sting you. Like jellyfish or piranha. I get a photo. Do you want me to take one of these? Okay, so I feel back to my stomach. We're in the actual tunnel. Yeah, we saw it. Oh my gosh, it's moving and I had no idea. That's the restaurant. Yeah, the restaurant. Just like wave to people. Hello. Hello. This is so crazy. This is scary. Hello, hello people. Hello. on us, but now we're. So I got fish for the shark,
Yummy.
and I'm just gonna try to give it to some of the sharks.
All right, let's go.
Get closer.
Okay.
Put it.
Aww.
So I'm taking.
What are those, sardines? Try one. Let me know how it tastes.
No, I'm
No?
I'm gonna try.
Oh, look at the fishes.
Hey.
Oh.
I think someone took it. Oh, look at that big shark.
Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh.
You saw that?
Like
Right there.
catfish. Oh. And those are gone in no time.
I'm gonna try that big one. Oh, he just got it. Okay. I'm gonna try to do it to this big one. Watch. Hopefully, no. Come on, son, get that. Okay. That. Oh, that one just did it. Okay. This is not my last one. It's my second one. But that's my last one. Which fish should I do it? Mommy, you take this phone off.
You want me to do that one?
Here. Let me.
Let's go. You want to go on the other side, see what they have over there? Okay.
There's only 2 fishes left that my mom is going to do.
JK.
Okay, now let's go to the.
How much would you give me to eat this?
$500.
5? Okay, I'd probably do it for 500. Look at that stingray. Okay,
Look at that.
there, ready?
No, okay.
Oh, where'd it go? Did they get it?
Not sure. We have one more. What are you gonna do with
Where did it go? Who ate that one?
Yeah, I saw a big splash.
Oh, there's a shark, little nurse shark. Cute. Here, I'm gonna have to give it to the stingray. I'll wait till these fish.
Don't leave.
See? It's going down. It's going down. No one ate it. It's so.
Oh, fish ate it. That fish. That one. Mommy, you
I
used
tried
all the
one.
fish. Okay, that was really fun. I thought you could I thought you were gonna go somewhere and you throw it in the fish.
Did you guys use all these?
Yes.
Okay, where else can we use these tickets?
You have one more time. You could just go. What the heck?
We have.
Go to that place. I run to the restroom and leave Jack.
Sure. Okay, we use sharks. We did the stick. Okay, where are the sea lions?
They're over there. This one's backwards. I don't care. Look, I just did a time lapse. Two. Three. 4. 5. There's one that just bounced. 5. That was a big one. So I think I'm gonna end this
Wait,
video
where's Jordan?
here because she's on the Mako.
But they shut the ride down
Why?
because it was lightning. How was she on their Mako? Because they shut the line down.
I don't know.
Yeah, but then they just did a test ride and it's okay.
So I'm gonna end this vlog video
Who is she on the
here
ride with?
because
My mom and
I think we're gonna be leaving soon. So yeah, bye guys.
Daniela.
So I actually forgot to tell you guys, and I'm adding on to this to the SeaWorld clip. I forgot to say it's my mom's birthday and we are at home. And they're sitting down.
Yes. What is it? Beautiful.
And yeah, I have a surprise and I'll be right back. So it's a thing that looks like this. And you light it on fire and it opens up. So it's gonna be really cool. So I'll see you guys when we start doing it.
Okay, everybody gather around the table.
Woohoo!
Let's get back to my sweetie.
Okay.
And somebody turn off the lights. Dad candle!
Hey Jenna,
Doesn't care.
any race car
She's excited.
out of 400.
What time were you born?
I think at 9 p.m.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday.
Oh my God, that's so great.
Happy birthday, dear Mary. Shush!
Happy birthday to you.
It sings. I picked it out. I saw it and I picked it out. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Woo! Blow it out.
Yay! Does it close out now?
That is
Man, you got the coolest.
Did you see that?
You got the coolest gift, the card, and the coolest candle I've ever seen.
Bye, guys.